Your plants are under attack right now, and you might not even know it.
These tiny insects can destroy your entire garden in just a few days. But today, you will learn a natural way to remove them forever, without chemicals. A healthy garden starts with proper natural care. Neem oil is one of the most powerful natural insect killers. Just mix neem oil with water and prepare a simple spray. Spray it gently on infected leaves to remove insects naturally. Within days, your plants start looking fresh and healthy again.
Garlic and chili also work as natural insect repellents.
Blend them with water to create a powerful organic spray.
This spray keeps harmful insects away from your plants.
Even simple soap water can remove small insects quickly. It breaks the insect layer and protects your plants. Ladybugs are natural predators that eat harmful insects. Nature already provides its own pest control system. Regular inspection helps stop insect attacks early. Remove damaged leaves to protect healthy ones. Proper sunlight keeps plants strong and resistant. Water your plants at the right time to avoid insects. Natural methods bring long-lasting protection. You can clearly see the difference. A clean garden brings peace and happiness. So peaceful and happy here. Simple ingredients can save your entire garden. Choose natural solutions and protect nature. Use these natural pest control methods and let your plants grow safely and beautifully.